Welcome to Defending Digital. I'm Chad Warner. Today's topic, Simple Cyber Life Review. Looking for internet safety tutorials? I'm on a mission to help people protect themselves and their families online, and I love discovering others with the same mission. Simple Cyber Life is a membership site with high-quality, practical internet safety tutorials. I'd like to tell you more about it so that you can decide if Simple Cyber Life is right for you. An overview. Simple Cyber Life, which you can find at defendingdigital.com/go/simple-cyber-life, is a membership site with internet safety video tutorials and other resources. The site owner describes it as, quote, the world's first membership site helping parents protect their families online, end quote. It's for parents who want to protect their family online, and it's also useful for adults protecting themselves. It explains the risks your family faces and tells you specifically how to protect against them. It covers a range of topics, including cyberbullying, identity theft, sextortion, sexual predators, account hacking, fraud, and explicit content. What does it mean that it's a membership site? That means that you pay a membership fee to have access to members-only content. The site owner, Johnny Pelter, is a cybersecurity expert who's also the director of the Cyber Unit, a firm that provides information security and privacy consulting services to financial and insurance organizations. Pelter is a Certified Information Security Manager, CISM, Certified Information Systems Security Professional, CISSP, and Certified Information Privacy Professional, Europe, CIPPE. Pelter aims to make internet safety advice simple, educational, and practical. He doesn't like scaremongering or overkill advice. If I were to build a membership site, it would be very similar to this. I've included in the blog post that goes along with this episode at defendingdigital.com a member benefits explainer video, which gives a good overview of what Simple Cyber Life has to offer. Features. All the features that I'm going to list here are included in the VIP plan, and all of them except the Cyber Bootcamp and personal coaching are included in the premium plan. And in that premium plan, site support is limited to email only, not by phone. And then only the first two of these features are included in the free plan. And I'll tell you more about the pricing later. So here are the features. Protection plans. Video and text instructions on how to protect your family online. Protection selection tool. A 14-question questionnaire that helps you determine what protection plan steps your family should take. Step-by-step instructions. Detailed instructions for securing major devices, Mac, Windows, Android, and iOS. A how-to media library. These are how-to videos, audio, and instruction manuals that show how to increase your security. Product recommendations. Impartial software and hardware recommendations. Deep dive videos. In-depth video tutorials on topics such as cyberbullying, fraud prevention, and sextortion. Cyber Bootcamp. A 4-week fast-track program to get secure with direct support from Pelter. Community forum. Discussion forum to ask and answer questions and have conversations. Monthly Q&A calls. Monthly webinar to ask Pelter questions. SOS Center. Get help with problems you may experience, such as malware or cyberbullying. The SOS diagnostic tool asks questions about your problem, then provides relevant advice. Personal coaching. A 45-minute video or audio call with Pelter about anything, usually about how to protect a family. Threat alerts. Email alerts about data breaches that might affect you. Some content, such as protection plan content, can be marked as complete so that you can track your progress. Some content can be saved or bookmarked so that you can easily find it in the future. Some content can be downloaded to your device if you want to access that offline. You can get MP4 video files, MP3 audio files, and PDF documents. Pros and cons. The videos include transition sound effects, and one of them is quite annoying. It sounds like loud static on old-fashioned TVs and radios. I don't see a search function on the site. The site is nicely organized, and a lot of the content is filterable, but it would still be nice to have the ability to search. The website is well designed. It's aesthetically pleasing with a clean design and nice icons, colors, and white space. It's easy to navigate. Also, it's mobile friendly, so you can use it from a phone, tablet, or computer. The videos are professional, with good video and audio quality and helpful captions. Many of the videos have links below them that you can click to jump straight to points within the video, making it easy to navigate. The protection plans tell the time needed to complete the steps, as well as any costs that are required. The how-to instructions give step-by-step details. Even though the site is already user-friendly, if you do need help using it, it's very easy to get that help in the following ways. Watch the helpful new member video tour that walks through how to use the site. Read the frequently asked questions. Post a question in the community forum, or send a question through the support form. Simple CyberLife price. Because it's a paid membership site, your level of access is determined by the price that you pay. There's the VIP plan, which is all the site features for $17.99 per month, or $216.99 per year. Then there's the premium plan, which is all the site features except the Cyber Bootcamp and personal coaching. And with that plan, the site support is limited to email only, not phone. And that plan is $4.99 a month, or $55.99 per year. And then the free plan, it really includes only two features, the protection plans and product protection selection tool. Now you can get a 20% discount on your paid plan if you sign up through my link and enter code 4BMFACHA. And again, my link is defendingdigital.com/go/simple-cyber-life. And you can find that link and the code in the blog post that goes along with this episode at defendingdigital.com. If you're not sure if Simple Cyber Life is right for you, you'll be happy to know that you can cancel anytime. There's no long-term commitment. Also, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you can use it for up to 30 days, and if you decide that it's not for you, you won't be out any money. Who it's best for. Based on the site's content, I would say Simple Cyber Life is best for parents protecting their kids online, adults protecting themselves online, adults protecting other adults or helping other adults protect themselves, people who want to ask specific questions about internet safety and know that they'll get a response, people who want a one-stop shop for internet safety advice rather than hunting for it from several different sources, people who like clear directions on what to do, because content from other sources may talk about internet dangers or about protection methods, but then leave you to figure out how to take action. And people who are interested in protecting themselves and or their kids online. If you're not interested in that, you're not going to be motivated to take action on the content. Now, if you're an information security professional, you probably won't learn much from the site, but your family and friends will. If you wouldn't dream of paying for content online, then know that you can find similar content spread across the web, but you'll need to do the work of finding it and then creating an action plan to implement it. What you should do. 1. Think about what help you need with increasing your family's internet safety and security. What are you struggling with? What questions do you have? 2. Review the features of Simple Cyber Life, which I've described here in this episode. You can also watch the explainer video in the blog post that goes along with this episode. Decide if Simple Cyber Life is right for you. 3. If Simple Cyber Life looks good to you, you can get a 20% discount by signing up through my link and entering code 4BMFACHA. And my link is defendingdigital.com/go/simple-cyber-life. And 4, once you're a member, start learning and putting what you learn into practice. That's all for today. You can learn more about internet safety and security at defendingdigital.com. If you're enjoying the podcast, I would appreciate it if you would leave a star rating and a review. And if you would like to discuss internet safety and security, you can join the Facebook group. Just search in Facebook groups for Defending Digital. See you there.